Captain Neldas Hobela, Ekurhuleni District Communication Officer. The police confirmed that one suspect was killed during cash-in transit heist in Phomolong area on Monday, the 27th of July 2026. The incident occurred at corner Modderfontein and Masala Road next to Rabbi Ridge in the morning. The Fidelity Guards vehicle was traveling towards Phomolong when approached by 2 to 3 vehicles. One of the suspects' vehicles stopped close to the cash van when heavily armed suspects started to shoot, while one of them planted the explosive on the cash van. The one who was bombing the vehicle was declared dead on the scene after it blasted. An undisclosed amount of cash was taken from the cash van. Security officers sustained minor injuries and were treated at the scene. Firearms of the security guards were also taken by the suspects. I thank you. I'm Captain Neldas Hobela, Ekurhuleni District Communication Officer.